Time for some road tripping this morning. Our stop this week, the Montgomery County Fair, which opens its gates this morning.
And that makes our Chris Mulcahy a gate buster. He's already hanging out at the fairgrounds. Right. Chris Mulcahy, good morning.
Here we are this morning, only about 3 hours and 15 minutes until the Montgomery County Fair is going to be starting. So it's pretty much Dayton's fair. I'm here with Dan Bullen. Thanks a lot for meeting me this morning. Why should we get so excited for the fair starting up today?
Well, because it's a beautiful day today. I mean, look at the weather. This is
we're thanking our weatherman, by the way, for that.
Well, that's a good. So we got to thank somebody right now. You know, it's 160 years that the fair's been going on here in Dayton. So you know, it is a tradition here in Montgomery County. So we've been here since 1853. So it's really definitely a tradition, you know, here on the ground. So
1853. That really is amazing. And of course, we have usually the typical things. We got some rides. We got the typhoon. And we have a tropical storm, actually a hurricane further off towards the south. I think we're going to try the typhoon out a little bit later. But what are some of the other things? What are some of the events that we got going on?
Today we've got different junior fair shows. I know we've got the sheep show. We've got a swine show today. We already did all the judging for the pies and stuff. We have a pie and cake auction at 7 o'clock tonight.
Oh, nice.
So all the award-winning pies and cakes will be sold here at 7 p.m. We've got harness racing this evening, so you can come and bet on the ponies. So you can do a little pari-mutuel wagering if you'd like. You can do that here at the fair. So you can get your practice in for the new track that's going to go in North Dayton. So.
All right, I'm definitely going to be getting on that. But Dan and I are actually going to try to hit up the Ferris wheel because this is going to be the best way you're going to be able to really scope out what's going on. Well, actually, we're going in the exit, so we're breaking rules. We always keep on breaking the rules every time we go to the fairs, but this is going to be the best way that we're going to be able to overlook the county fair. Dan, how long are you saying that this is going to be going on for? I think, well, through Labor Day weekend, right?
Yes, it goes through Labor Day weekend. The gates open every morning at 8 a.m. and they close at 10 o'clock every night. So we're here, you know, through Labor Day, and you can check us out at montcofair.com.
All right, and again, it's going to be a wonderful time. Starts at 11 o'clock this morning, so already start getting ready. It's going to be a wonderful time. In the meantime, blast off, riding up the Ferris wheel. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.
All right, Chris, enjoy that ride. All right, time for some road tripping this morning. Our stop this week, the Montgomery County Fair, and the gates actually open this morning.
Yeah, Chris Mulcahy is checking things out at the fairgrounds. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, everyone. All right, we're currently riding the Typhoon. It says that the Typhoon goes up to around 60 miles an hour, and this is the ride at the Montgomery County Fair that most people puke, and I'm starting to sense it. We've got on many rides doing all these segments, and oh my goodness, the G-force is crazy. All right, this is actually a wonderful time, but the main reason why we're here is the Montgomery County Fair is going to be starting at 11 o'clock, so just about 2 hours that we have left to go and get me off of this ride. But for more information about that, we got Dan Bullen. Oh my God. Oh, sorry, we gotta come over here. All right, Dan. All right, give me a second. Dan didn't go on this, and now I understand why. Why didn't you want to go on this? I need to hold on to something.
I've ridden that thing. I'm done enough of that. Once in my life, I was happy with that.
We had actually donuts at the station. Sorry, it really upset that I actually did that. But why don't you tell us about the Montgomery County Fair? I had a great time, except for right now.
We opened today. The gates are open now. It's free until 1 o'clock. We have half price day today, so it's only $3 to get in. Children 6 and under are free. We go through Labor Day. The gates open every day at 8 a.m. We close at 10 p.m. And you can check us out at montcofair.com.
All right, and it's going to be a wonderful, wonderful time. We also got a lot of events that's going on throughout the weekend. I know we got the rides. I know we got the games that's going on pretty much all the time. What else do we have on tap for this weekend?
We've got harness racing tonight and tomorrow night. We've got a cornhole tournament. That's a new one for us. Well, that'll be Friday. We've got truck and tractor pull Saturday and demolition derby Sunday and Monday. You got to come back for that. Maybe I can get you in a demo car.
Oh, a demo car would be wonderful. I think it would be honestly better than this. So kids, if you want to ride the most intense ride here at the fair, get on the Typhoon, 60 miles an hour, but do not eat a bunch of French fries, hot dogs, and all that great fair food. Or maybe you can do it afterwards. But no, again, the Montgomery County Fair is going to be starting at 11 today, going throughout the weekend. I need a break in the meantime. Thanks a lot for meeting with me, Dan.
Thank you.
Oh, my goodness.
That might be the last time he ever rides that ride.
Oh, I
That
think
was-
so. And thank you for taking one for the team, Chris. It was funny to see him on there.
Wow.
There's a photo that they just posted on our Facebook page of like him sideways spinning around. It was a great photo.
And imagine you're going 60 miles an hour and then you have to talk over the microphone. That took some talent.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, man.
Mad skill right there to him.
He's going to have to get a raise when he comes back.